So that is the intro for Glory to the Lord by Don Moen. This is how it goes. The chord progression is 6, 5, 4. So this is how it goes. Now we know this is A minor. This is the first inversion. This is the second inversion. So the music starts from the second inversion like this. You start from here, and then as you press the upper C, then you also press here. Like that. Now here you just move constantly. This is F. This is F at 9. So you just press continuously this side also. So we are maintaining that pattern of see 1, 2, 1 like that. Then this is F, second inversion. So you organize your hand in a way that it can ride over those keys. Then this side also will be waiting to continue the move. Then you remove this one from around here. Then you go and wait on the side of bass while this one will come here. Like this. Now, this part. Then you come down here. Now, this one here this is C sus 2. C sus 2. Or it is called G sus 4. Like this one here. This is A minor. Then this is A. This is A2. So after you playing the F, which was like this, you come and repeat the same arpeggio. When your hand is moving like that, you say you are playing an arpeggio. This is C sus 4. You organize your hand as you go. Then you start again the previous pattern, but this time you'll start from a lower octave. just press C sus4 like that. Then this side you press then this one is again E sus4 because this is E sus4. So there is a lot of suspended chords in this intro. Then after now pressing E sus4, you now press the E major, but the first inversion. So this one, this E, you take it to the upper E there, which is there. So let me do the thing again. Heaven in his hands, like that. Who made the stars by the word of his power? So this video I just wanted to be for intro. If you want how it is played generally, it is going to be in another video. Thank you.